Hello, today I'm here once more and I'm helping out with Paid Forward Mission and Big Don's Kitchen. So I am making up some curry chicken for them now for them to give away tomorrow at the shelter in Peekskill. So just watch me what I do and how I make my curry chicken. Right. Oil here, not much. In this curry chicken here, I have some chicken seasoning, I have some salt, black pepper, a little pimento, some garlic, scallion, thyme, and a little black pepper. So that is what I season it up with. So here I'm going to brown up some curry. I am going to brown up some onion and garlic and some curry in this pot here. Some garlic and onion, and then I'm going to put in some better fat curry. Okay. And let that brown with the garlic and the onion. Because we have to be careful with the curry, because a lot of people not used to curry, can't take curry, so we have to make sure that it's nicely brown, and we also have some ginger in there. Okay, so this is going to stay here and brown up for a little while, and then I'm going to put the chicken in there. I'm going to put in the chicken now. Okay, we're at the ending of this video now. So we're gonna take it off of the stove.
Auntie Pauline, you're too brass.